We have won rights to host events before from CAF. We were awarded the 96 AFCON. We were awarded the 2018 CHAN. And that means that Kenya actually can put together a compelling, convincing plan. What has happened previously that we have lost both opportunities, and we have lost them for not being well prepared. But this is different. We are going to be, we are getting prepared. In fact, I can say we are very well prepared. And unlike in the past where you have had government and other key actors like the Football Federation working at loggerheads, this time we are making sure that everybody is in single column.